One of the questions we hear often is, how do I carry XYZ on my Enigma? So in today's updated video, I'm gonna show you how to carry a spare magazine, a knife, and basic trauma medical supplies on your Enigma. Although each of the Enigma models have their slight differences, these methods will work for all of our current Enigma models. There are a number of ways you can go about carrying items on your Enigma, but keep in mind that these may not all be comfortable solutions for everyone out there. We can only keep so many things on our body at a time and still maintain mobility, comfort, and concealment, so make sure to prioritize your gear choices accordingly. Enigma Adapters. The Enigma adapters are actually pretty awesome. The stock Enigma belt threads right through these attachments, and there's a shape for just about anything you would want to attach to your Enigma, from spare magazines to a knife sheath. I actually use a couple of these when I need to keep multiple magazines on body for things such as taking classes and shooting the occasional match from concealment. We also have adapters that are large enough to fit over the thicker portion of the sport belt if need be. Holster clips or soft loops. Although the Enigma belt is thin and flexible, you can still use traditional clips to attach items to your Enigma, such as a DCC clip or even soft loops. This can be a great, quick solution if you're trying to add something like a knife sheath or pepper spray or a flashlight or spare magazine, which already comes with some kind of clip attachment. The main thing to be aware of when you're using a traditional clip on the Enigma belt is that there may be some unnecessary bulk. Not inherently bad, but just something to keep an eye out for. Sport belt pockets. All of our current sport belts offer at least one pass-through pocket, which can be great for packing flat medical supplies, a handheld light, a spare magazine, a blade, or even pepper spray. But keep in mind that you're going to have different pocket options and shapes depending on the size of your sport belt. This visual guide will show you how many pockets exist on each sport belt size. You can also view this chart on the sport belt purchase page on our website. The pockets on the sport belt are extremely handy and have definitely become one of the primary options Enigma users choose for carrying extra gear. Quick note though, if your sport belt has a pocket directly in the center, make sure that you don't place anything in that pocket that is made of a hard material. Hard objects should never be placed in a way that they are aligned with your spine, because this could cause serious injury. Now it's time for the tips and tricks portion of this video. There are a couple of things that you should keep in mind when placing additional items on your Enigma. First, in most cases, you don't want to place them too close or behind your faceplate. This will usually cause counter-rotation issues and negatively affect the concealment of your firearm. Second, in some cases, you might find that the fidlock buckle is located in the exact spot that you want to place a spare item. We don't recommend placing anything directly behind your fidlock. However, you could swap your buckle to the opposite side or opt to use our reduced size buckle in order to gain more space for that additional item. Personally, that's how I choose to do things. I use our reduced size buckle anyways. However, that does just give me a little bit of space to the left of my buckle to put a spare magazine when I need one, and I used to even clip my larger handheld light there. And finally, a bonus tip. Most of us are used to the idea of using wedges on our holsters, but a great tip for concealing your spare magazine or blade is trying out a small wedge to help tuck it into the body just a little bit more. Henry Holsters also makes a great concealment keel extender, which can offer a similar keeling benefit to the bottom end of your knife sheaths. Finally, we don't necessarily recommend trying to carry every last one of these items on body, but we wanted to create this video so that those of you outside of the PHLster Concealment Workshop could have a place to reference for ideas on how to carry the various items you're prioritizing. That said, if you aren't in the PHLster Concealment Workshop on Facebook yet, I would highly suggest joining us over there. There are loads of resources found in the guide section of the group, and you can get the opportunity to see other people who are using their PHLster gear. Sound off in the comments below if you have any other unique ideas for how you like to attach additional hardware to your Enigma. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.